Hi guys, Asus ROG 3 has this YouTube Live feature which is great, but it has a limitation. You cannot stream both the game audio and the audio from microphone at the same time. Today's video is about how we can overcome that limitation without the use of any hardware device and without rooting the phone at zero cost. Before getting started, I would request you all to please subscribe to All About Apps and like this video. Also, make sure that you are watching this video till the end so that you do not face any problem in the setup and you know all the pros and cons. First thing you have to do is select the audio source as game audio, and I wanted to check if the audio is restricted to the game you want to stream or it can play the audio from any other application which is running in the background. So I tried playing this music and it worked. It was streaming both the music and the game audio. Now it made me think. I had to look for an application that will take the voice from the microphone and instead of recording it, it should play the audio. I searched for microphone to speaker in Play Store and it gave me lots of suggestions. I tried this application mic to speaker and gave the required permissions. As it says, let's tap here and now let's go to home screen. You can see in the notification that the application is running and it will still be running if you remove it from recent apps. Let me play any game and do live streaming. So guys, the audio which you are hearing now is not the pre-recorded audio, it is the audio from the live stream, and you should be able to hear both the game audio and the audio from the microphone. This way the limitation of the ROG 3 built-in live feature is solved. I'm not sure if you observed it, but there was a little bit of noise. Initially I thought it's from the mic, but then when I went to the home screen I did not hear it. I could hear the same noise from the game audio with the microphone disabled. I'm not sure if I am the only one facing this issue. Please do comment below and let me know. Good thing here is that you can control the volume for both the game and microphone. If you feel your voice has to be of higher level than the game audio, then all you have to do is press any of the volume keys and you can adjust the levels accordingly. So guys, this is one of the easiest way to overcome the limitation and it will not cost you anything. But that's not all. Even this method has a limitation, but it's not a big one. So the issue here is, you will be hearing your own voice through the earphones just like an echo. It won't make much of a difference if you are speaking short sentences, but if you are speaking anything for like 15 seconds, it might get disturbing sometimes. It is a matter of you getting used to it. And the other thing which I observed here is that there will be a delay of near about 1 second, which is not a concern but something which I observed and I'm just letting you know. Once you are done with streaming, to stop the mic app running in background, open it from notifications and tap on this icon again. So guys, that's all I had in this video, and do let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and have a great day.